Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. I've been doing this since 2018, a very, very long time. I'm attempting to pan a product for every single episode that ever aired, if I can speak, and it is 15 seasons long. It's a lot of episodes, and I am currently working on season 6, and yeah, I've been doing this for a long daggone time. So yeah, I'm trying to pick up the pace a little bit. I'm making my goals a little bit easier to attain, though I don't want them to be too easy. I don't want to just like fly through it, but you know, I don't want to be working on this until, you know, like I'm 167 years old. So I do have only one rollout this time, and partially because, you know, I was sick earlier in the month and a lot of things just got dropped. So I am hopefully going to make up for it in the coming month, but I'm very happy to have just one rollout. It's better than none, right? And we'll see if I can have some for the next update as well. So I'm going to start with my first rollout. That it was for the episode Clap Your Hands If You Believe. And I did have someone ask me to give the numbers of each episode for the season that I'm working on. So this is season 6, and Clap Your Hands If You Believe is episode 9 from that season. And I chose the Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things. I just picked one shadow in here, and I wanted to use this one, Fireflies, 5 times, which I was able to do, and I liked it. I used it primarily to like blend out my crease transition area, and it worked very well for that. And I'm just going to roll this back into my drawer and work on that some more another time. So very happy to get my usage on that. And let's go over everything else that is continuing on. I have a lot, and I will be rolling in the next episode. So some of these things I really haven't touched, and some I have. So the first one was episode 7 of season 6, and that was Family Matters. So I chose the Sinful Colors Trend Matters in the shade Fuchsia U. My goal is to use this 5 times. So far I've used it 3. So I still need 2 more uses on this. And, you know, I still haven't done my pedicure, so maybe that would be a good one to do, fingers and toes, and knock that out. All right, moving on to episode 10, Caged Heat. I have the Revlon Heatwave nail polish. Again, I want 5 uses. I've gotten 2 on this so far, and I don't think it's going to happen by the next update, but you never know. I could use it as an accent nail or something like that, though my nails have been pretty ratchet lately because they are not my priority, trying to get my house back in order and my life back in order after everyone being sick. So we'll just have to wait and see how that goes. For episode 11, that was Appointment in Samara, and I chose the Keys Soul Care for that. I have this in for 10 uses. Totally forgot to put it in my shower, so it hasn't been used at all. I need to remember when I'm editing this, so pay attention, Jessica, when you're editing, to go put this in the shower. Episode 12, Like a Virgin, and I chose the Cleona Cosmetics nail lacquer in Dragon Teeny because there was dragons within that episode, and my goal was to use this 3 times. See, I got smart. I went from 5 uses on a nail polish down to 3. I used this once. I really enjoyed this quite a bit. I actually used it over Heatwave, and it looked really, really pretty. And I might do that again in the future, but you know, I don't want to repeat the same thing too soon after I had just done it. So it's not going to happen like next week or anything, but I think I'm going to do that one again. All right, and the last one that is continuing on was for episode 13, and that was Unforgiven. And I have my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which I also have in Level Up, like the whole thing is in Level Up. I brought in Hunts for 5 uses, which is this one that has pan on it right here, this orangey shade. I haven't used it because this is the first week I have put this into a makeup basket, and I am using the heck out of it this week, but I just haven't used that yet. So I'm hoping I will get at least a few uses on it this week while it's in my basket and see if I can get at least a couple of them knocked out, because I need to knock out 5 uses for Supernatural and at least 1 use, well, only 1 use for Project Level Up, because it already has pan. It's not one that I'm going to be focusing on to try to hit pan because it's already got it. So yeah, I'm going to need 6 uses on that baby. So I need to roll in the next episode, which is episode 14. It is called Mannequin 3, The Reckoning. Give me 1 second and I will pull up the synopsis and read it to you. Sam and Dean investigate a case in Paterson, New Jersey, where a janitor was killed with no one around. After another murder takes place in another town, they notice both murder scenes had mannequins nearby. Ben calls Dean, telling him Lisa is acting strange, and Dean goes to see what is going on. Dean realizes that Lisa still has feelings for him, and Ben wants Dean back in their lives. Sam discovers that both victims used to work together in a local factory, and the janitor resigned after the strange death of a female worker, Rose. After Sam saves another factory worker from the ghost, the man admits that he and several of his co-workers played a cruel joke on Rose, which accidentally resulted in her death. Sam burns Rose's bones, but Rose returns to kill the worker that same night. Sam discovers Rose gave her sister a kidney when they were younger, meaning Rose's remains still exist inside Isabel. Rose possesses the Impala, poor baby, and tries to kill Dean, resulting in the Impala crashing and both sisters finally dying. That's a crazy episode. Poor Baby. That's the name of the car, in case you are not familiar with the show. The Impala is its own character within the show, so crashing it is kind of sad. So going off of that synopsis, Rose is the problem child in this, even though she was technically murdered, accidentally murdered. Her ghost is killing people, so while she was a victim in the very beginning, she also became the aggressor. It's really an unfortunate situation. So she is so pivotal to this particular episode. So I am going based off of her name, and I am bringing in something Rose themed. This is the Bobbi Brown Luxe Metal Rose palette, and I am going to do it no pan left behind style. And I only have 6 shadows left in here, and 3 of these are cream and 3 are mattes. So I think that's going to be fairly easy. I just have to manage to get it into a makeup basket in order to use it, but I think I can probably make that happen before the next update, and hopefully I can get 1 use on each one of these before then. So that is everything for my update this month. I do have a list of everyone else that has joined in down below at some point. Some people have joined in, dropped off, come back. People have joined in late. It doesn't matter if you want to join in, please do it. Let me know. I will get you put down there so other people can find you. This is a completely no pressure project. So if you're into panning and you're into Supernatural, by all means, I would love to have you on this crazy Supernatural panning journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.